What's up and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I am JTR.Beauty, aka Jada, and if you haven't already, please really quickly just go ahead and click that red subscribe button for me, okay? Anyways, so today I want to do a review on the Prism palette. I just recently got it and I know I'm a little late with it, but because of the buzz that it didn't really get, like, to me, I didn't really hear about it till like maybe 4 months after it was released in like stores. So now I'm just sitting here and I really kind of wanted to do a little review on it because I do love her palettes. I also have the Modern Renaissance and Subculture one, and I just thought that, okay, so let me just go ahead and do a little review on this beautiful palette right here. And when I was looking on Instagram at Anastasia Beverly Hills' page, I just saw the colors and I was like, okay, I have to get that. I wasn't able to get it until recently, so now I just want to do this little review for you guys. And also, while reviewing it, I kind of just created this little look with the palette. All colors that are on my eyes right now are from the palette, and I'm really happy with the outcome of my eyes. And if you guys like what you see here, please be sure to keep watching, and let's get to the video. Now that I've completed most of my face, now let's get to the reason why we are here today. Okay, I'm so excited for this. I know I am a little late to the train. I guess I wasn't on Instagram as much, and this one I don't believe got as much publicity as the last two, like Subculture and Modern Renaissance, but I'm so excited to sit here and review for you guys the Abh Prism palette. So let's take it out of this beautiful black box. Here we go. Is that not beautiful? Like, wow. This is, yes, the other two palettes have that same velvety feel to them, but this black on it is just so beautiful to me. It's stunning. Wow. I mean, I've never seen the palette in person, but wow. Let me take this plastic film off. I don't even want to swatch it. Like, I don't want to mess this up. Oh my god, it's so stunning. These shimmer shades, look. Should we do a comparison? I think we should do a comparison. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. So here we have Modern Renaissance, of course. The first one that she came out with of these beautiful colors, more warmer toned. I love this palette. I use it probably in every look that I do. Like, this is the palette. And then we have Subculture, which of course everyone had big problems with how much fallout, but I personally think this one is gorgeous and more for those cooler tones and fall looks. And then you have the beautiful, beautiful Prism palette. This is so stunning, guys. I'm just so excited to dip into this. Like, so excited, okay? Just look at those shades, like, and the shimmer. I don't think I'm gonna swatch. Okay, let's swatch. I don't want to mess up this palette by swatching, but I'm gonna do it. Other than Osiris, this whole entire palette I'm living for. Okay, living for today, dying for tomorrow. Okay, this palette is gorgeous, stunning, and I cannot wait to dip into it. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm kind of just winging this look because I do think some of these shades are a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I'm gonna try my best to make a good look. So for the first thing that I'm gonna start off with is I'm going to go in Parallel here, this brown shade, and just put that right above the crease. And I noticed that there's not as much fallout as the Subculture palette has, so that's something good to note. Okay, so now I'm gonna carefully go into Obsidian, which is that black shade, and we know that going in with black, I just fricked up my freaking palette really bad. Okay, look at Lucid, guys. Let me just show you what I did. Come on, focus. That's what I just did. I feel stupid and mad. Alright, so I'm dipping into Obsidian just lightly, not trying to do too much, and going right in the crease with, whoa. Wow, that is black. Try to fix my mistake. That is not something that you cannot like harshly, like, I'm not getting any product off of the brush, guys. Now I'm gonna try to save this look with, by doing a cut crease using the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer Cream. This is what I gotta do. Try to make this work, okay. Gonna go ahead and pack my entire eyelid with Sphere. Okay, that's outgoing for me. Okay, so now that that is packed onto all over my lid, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner with the Colorful Wink It Felt Liner by Sephora. So let's go ahead and line. Okay, so now I'm going to go into my Broken Lucid to highlight my inner corner and brow bone. I'm using the Velour Silk lashes, and just applying them with some adhesive glue and making this look come together. I feel like the most appropriate thing for my lower lash line would be to use a black liner. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply that. So now I'm going to go back into the Obsidian palette and use the same shade Parallel to kind of smoke this out. Okay, so now I'm just going to coat my lower lashes with Falsies Push Up Drama by Maybelline to finish out the eye look. So now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face. Alright, and that's my completed look for the Prism palette. Okay guys, so unfortunately this is the end of the video. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to me, because I'm pretty sure if you're to the end of this video, you like me. So you might as well go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So my thoughts on this palette is that I do love every single color. Well, no, not every single color. The one that I said is like for the Hamersha, the Osiris shade. It's not as pigmented as the others. I don't know why exactly, but it just isn't, and it just didn't give me that wow factor, you know, as the other ones did. Once again and always, her formulas are gonna be great, like no matter what. I just believe that, like that's what I truly believe. Her formulas will always be great. However, something different that she did with this palette compared to the Subculture one is that the Subculture one, yeah, I got a lot of backlash for it having too much fallout, but honestly, in my opinion, I like this palette. I love the colors in it. It's just a me type of palette. But this one, on the other hand, did not, but it also picked up as much product as the Subculture one did, and I was like so shocked. Like during the video, I kind of had to save this look because I wanted to use that Obsidian shade, the black one, and it ended up going terribly wrong, so I saved it doing a cut crease. So yeah, overall I do love this palette. I love the packaging. This is so pretty to me, okay? Like, I love this one. And that's all I have to really say about it. There's not much else other than the fact that I like it, other than one shade. And, like, one shade out of 14 is pretty darn good, okay? Yeah, and that's all I really have to say about it. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.